Magandang araw mga idol, mga boss, no? So ngayon, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo or i-demo ko sa inyo ay kung paano mag-tapping ng 5G, no? So gamit natin yung electrode guys is 60-13, no? So papakita ko muna sa inyo yung pipe na titirahin natin, no? So ito siya. So ayan siya guys, no? So nilagyan ko na ng guide yan, no? So na root pass ko na rin yan, no? Yan yung ginamit natin nung nakaraan sa 6G root pass, no? So kakaping na lang natin yan. So guys, yung amperahe natin is set mo na sa 110, no? So i-adjust ko lang siya mamaya or ihinaan ko or lalakasan kung medyo mahina siya, no? So yung gamit na polarity natin is DCEP, no? Electrode positive tayo, no? So simulan natin guys. So guys, yung electrode angle natin is ganito, no? Ganyan, no? Ganyan, no? So ganyan, papunta yan sa taas, no? Pagdating ng 9 o'clock, ganyan, no? So ganyan lang, oh. Sigsag yung motion natin dito guys, no? Sigsag yung weaving na gamit natin, no? So guys, kung mapapansin nyo is dalawang kamay yung ginamit ko, no? Kasi mahirap yung stabilization pag nasa ilalim tayo, no? So advice ko is dalawang kamay talaga yung gagamitin, no? So mamaya magpiprehan ako sa mga gitna, sa bandang gitna ng pipe, no? So dyan is dalawang kamay, no? Kasi mahirap magprehan dyan sa ilalim guys, no? Masyado siyang magalaw, kaya dalawang kamay yung advice ko na gamitin, no? Isandal nyo lang yung guys, no, electrode, no? So huwag nyo pong hawakan kasi mainit po yan, no? Sandal lang, no? Halalay lang, no? Kung mapapansin nyo guys is hindi siya tumutulo, no? So ibig sabihin tama lang yung amperahe ko, no? So pag masyadong malakas yan ay matutulo siya guys, no?
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
So yan yung first beat niya guys, no? So tuloy-tuloy lang natin yan, no? Hanggang sa taas, no?
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo.
So dito guys is naka one hand lang yung gamit ko, no? Kasi may mahawakan na ako, no? So hindi na mahirap mag isang kamay, no? Hindi katulad nung nasa ilalim, mahirap, no? So dito maaari na tayong humawak, tsaka madali na lang siya mag one hand, no?
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare start.
So guys, ang motion ng electrode natin is zigzag lang, no? So dahan-dahan lang yan guys, no? Yung paglusaw niya is alalay lang, no? Depende yan sa bilis ng motion natin, depende rin yan sa amperahe natin, no? So kung medyo malakas siya, so bilisan nyo konti, no, para hindi siya tumulo. So ganyan lang yung technique, guys, no.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going.
So tiktikan natin, guys, no. Yan yung bed niya, no, sa taas, no. So kung makikita nyo is tama lang yung lusaw niya, no. So hindi siya nag bukol-bukol, no. So tama lang yung amperahe niya. So yung amperahe natin, guys, is magdedepende yan sa kapal ng pipe na hinihinang natin. So dito, guys, is hinasa ko na, no, para matanggal yung hilaw na part, no, para doon sa dugtungan natin. So kailangan nasahin yan, guys, no, para maganda yung splicing ng dugtungan natin, no. So cutting disc lang yung ginamit ko dyan, no. So kung mapapansin nyo, guys, is may inilagay ako na adjustable wrench, no. So ang purpose nyan, guys, is para may mahawakan ako, no, kasi maiksi ho yung tubo. Mahirap kasi pag hindi mo nilagyan ng wrench, no, kasi wala kang matukuran. Saka mahirap din mag-freehand dyan, no, kasi nasa ilalim ho yan, no. So ang diskarte ko is nilagyan ko ng adjustable wrench.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain.
So guys, konti na lang, malapit nang matapos yung 5G natin, no. So tuloy na natin.
Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave.
So guys, lilinisan ko muna yung pipe natin, no, para matanggal yung mga slag o yung mga butlig-butlig para malinis siya tignan, no. So ito na yung 5G natin guys, no? So ayan siya sa ilalim. So ito yung sa kabila guys. So ayan guys, no, natapos na yung demo natin sa 5G, no. So diameter nito is 6 inches, no. Tapos yung electrode na ginamit natin is 60-30, no. So ayan siya guys, no. So guys, I hope na may natutunan kayo sa ginawa nating demo ngayon or tutorial, no. So maraming salamat sa panonood guys. So hanggang sa muli mga boss idol, maraming salamat. Ito po si Pinewell. Paalam.